Hi everyone, it's Alice here from Tanio TV, and today we are making a stick person. And for this you will need a lump of clay and then anything really that you collect. Sticks are good for the arms and the legs. You might find something from a fir tree or some stones, little sticks, bark, anything really that you can add to your stick person. So just going to use the clay as the head and the body. So the bigger bit you can make into body, nice and long. And then make the smaller part into the head. There you go, and then try and join those together. Use fingers to do that. Just pushing it down. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add some arms. Our sticks, which are a bit too long, so I'm just going to cut it in half. There we go. And do it on the other side. Lovely. Okay, then you can use whatever you want to decorate. So I'm going to use some stones for my eyes. Some bark to make some clothes. Use stick on the bark to push it through, keep it in place. I'm going to use this, reminds me of hair, so I think I'm going to use it as hair. A stick person.